Right when I joined you guys, I think already I've doubled it. I'm gonna be so real. It's been amazing. Like literally, I started with you. You launched them at midnight, and then within the first like 3 days, I already had like a few thousand scheduled for the next week. So my name's Christian Parilli. Company Sunshine Surface Solutions. Big boat detailing over here in Cape Coral, Florida. We do cars as well, mobile. I started using you guys. It hasn't even been a month yet, and company's been doing amazing ever since I started doing ads with you. I cannot complain. I'm gonna be so honest.
That's awesome, dude. Yeah, we'll get into kind of like the results and stuff. But let's start with where were you like before, I guess, before you joined, how was it going?
So before was mostly just detailing, like cleaning cars and cleaning boats, but like not really a ceramic. Maybe it was a few times a month. And then really just looking to get into the bigger ceramic jobs. So
Okay.
basically it, yeah, just mostly detailing. That was it.
Gotcha. Okay. So in terms of like your revenue numbers, what were they at? If you had to ballpark them, doesn't have to be exact.
Ballpark after everything, I was probably making like 4 to 5K a month after everything.
Okay. So you're at 4 or 5K before, and then you joined us. Yeah, it's not even been a month yet. Um,
Yeah, so right when I joined you guys, I think already I've doubled it. I'm gonna be so real. And it's been amazing. Like literally, I started with you, you launched them at midnight, and then within the first like 3 days, I already had like a few thousand scheduled for the next week. And I've been keeping a board of everything for the first month just to like track everything. Profit's been crazy. My profit's gone up. Been learning a lot, of course. Like you guys have shared a lot of chemicals and whatnot I use, so I've been saving there. And it's honestly just been amazing. I cannot, like I said, I can't complain. It's been a blessing working with Detail Wizard.
awesome, dude. Well, I appreciate that, and I'm glad. I mean, it's only up from here. I mean, it's still month one, so we could
And
all.
it's been getting better somehow. I was gonna say, like from the start to now, like now I make calls, everyone's like, let's do it. Like I had people not even ask me about price, just hop on the schedule.
Yeah, it's probably just your confidence level. Because they can hear that over the phone is like if you go in kind of hesitant, they can hear that you're not that confident. But now you've been selling a bunch of them. You just think everybody wants to buy, and they can hear that on the phone. So
Oh,
they're
for
like,
sure.
you're like, why would I not buy? So you're right. It does.
Yeah,
The more you sell, the easier it is to sell. The
100%.
last real question I got is, what would you say to somebody who's kind of on the fence about joining, like somebody who's in your position before they join and they're thinking about it, but maybe it's the investment or their timing or whatever.
So my biggest thing was like just trusting someone. And like you, first day we talked over Zoom, like I ain't gonna lie, you were number one. Like you were very easy to talk to, very easy to find on social media. So like I was like, you know what, like just take the risk, you know? And that's really what I did. I took the risk and just bet on it. And then from there, I also learned from you that you can't just be good at detailing. You got to be a salesman too. It's part of the business.
Mhm.
And like you guys provide everything for what I need to do and like just everything. The whole experience has been great. I'm gonna stick with you guys for until I'm over busy, of course. But then say I can't complain. Detail Wizard's been amazing. You guys have a great setup with everything, makes it super simple. And I was a pain in the butt in the beginning. I was gonna say with the whole Facebook and all of that, but
Yeah, we got to
like I
figure it
said,
out.
right now I'm happy for
So,
sure.
yeah, man, it's only up from here because I mean, you're still at what, $30 a day ad spend?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
so
think I might increase that too, to be
yes, I
honest
mean,
with you.
really, I mean, it's just up to you in terms of how many you can take on and then hiring somebody, turning that number up a little bit, and it should just, just scales up. So, it's
Oh,
really the
100%.
beginning, and you're kind of in an exciting point right now because once you start hiring, this all your numbers double. So,
Yeah, for sure. And the leads come in like crazy. Like every day I'm getting like five, six, seven leads, way more than I thought. So it's kind of really just being the salesman, being confident, and you guys provide everything there to get to the point to where you need to sell. So
sweet, dude. Well, awesome, man. I appreciate you coming on here. Excited for the future. I mean, you again, it's not even been 1 month, so it's all uphill, all downhill from here, I guess. Uh,
I was gonna say it's getting rolling, and I was gonna
yeah.
say I cannot be happy with everything.
But yeah,
You
man,
guys
take it easy.
got me bigger opportunities.
Sweet, dude. Well, you have a good July 4th, and we'll talk soon.
Yeah, of course, man. You have a good night.
Yeah.